beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to start getting ahead on Christmas, so I thought about some gifts that we could make for Christmas using ink and paper and some stamps. So I'm going to be using the More Than Autumn, and I'm going to be using just this little gingerbread is all I'm going to be using out of this one. But keep in mind, you can use any that you want, pumpkins, little candy canes, an apple, or just some hearts. You can even do this at Valentine's Day. But let me go ahead and show you. Then I'm using the Greetings of the Season, and I'm going to be using the Season's Greeting stamp here. And then I'm going to be using one of the tags that come with it. And of course, where did I put it? Because I just used it. Here it is, stuck to the back of my phone. So I'm going to be using this tag here, and I already went ahead and put those through the die cutting machine because I wanted this to be easy and simple to show. So I did one in real red and one in the basic white thick. The one with the real red, we're not going to do anything with it, but my colors are also going to be real red and pecan pie. Then I have a piece of designer series paper. It's double-sided. I decided to go with this crosshatch of Christmas colors. This is from the Take a Bow DSP. It's 6x6, but I cut it down but 4 to 4 by 4 3/4. And why? Because that is what I'm going to be wrapping around this Biscoff cookie. So it's got 2 Biscoff cookies in there. They're nice and large. So let's go ahead and first get that taken care of. We'll wrap that up. And I have some tear and tape on here already. And all we're going to do is we're going to wrap this around as if it was a Christmas present. Just like that. And then I'm going to wrap this side around, and they will kind of line up if I do it correctly. There we go. Once I line that side up, the other side should line up very nicely. And then look at that. It looks like a little candy or a Christmas present. And then I'm going to take some silver. And what did I do? Did I throw away? I threw away my other piece because I made a bow and then threw away the extras. But I'm going to take a piece. It's the silver from the silver and gold combo. And let me tell you how big that is. It is 4.5 inches. And I'm going to wrap this around. And I'm going to put some adhesive here. I'm just going to use the Stampin' Seal. And we're going to put a little piece right there. And again, we're going to wrap a piece of that around here. And we're going to wrap a piece of it around here so that it looks like it is wrapped around, and it's going to be tied with a bow. So we already have the bow, but we want to stamp. So I'm going to set that over here, and we're going to take our real red and our Season's Greetings. And then we're just going to put that at an angle here, and we're going to put our Season's Greetings on there. Then we're going to take our pecan pie and our little gingerbread guy. Again, remember I told you you can use the other stamps as well. So I'm going to put one right here, and I'm going to put another little guy right here, just like that. So cute. And you can color it in if you want to, but I think it is just super cute the way it is. And then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to add a little piece there. We're going to line up our little guys here. And we're just going to put that right in top of there. So now we've got two little tags like this. I'm going to put this down, and then on this side I'm going to have this sticking up because I want to give it a little bit of dimension. But the bow is going to give it some dimension. We're also going to put some nice little peppermints on here. And we're just going to take this. We're going to put this on here as if we had tied it right in that. And no one's going to be the wiser. So we've got that. And see, this sits down at the bottom. And then this still pops up a little bit. And now we're going to take one of our, this one is from Paper Pumpkin, but it's just a mini glue dot. We're going to put that right here. And we're going to kind of roll that a little bit toward the center. And I'm going to do the same thing over here, because I don't want any stickiness, and this isn't a big humongous bow. So we're gonna just put this out here, shape it a little bit, turn it the way we want, and then we're gonna put that bow right on there. We're gonna get out our peppermints. What are they called? Real red and white adhesive back peppermints. And we're just, it's got 3 different sizes here, so we're going to use all 3 sizes. I'm going to take this one and we'll stick that one, I don't know, right about here. We'll take a middle one and we'll put him right here. Wherever he lands, we're going to be good with it. And then we'll take the larger one and let's stick him right here, making a nice little triangle. And look at how cute that is. How many of these could you just burst out in a day, right? And let me show you. I got these on Amazon, and you get 20 of those large ones. I'll put the link for that as well. And I will put all the stuff I used to make these if you wanted to make your own and wanted to grab everything. But look at how adorable, and how cute would this be just to make tags for your actual cards, just to look exactly like this. So I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see some more Christmas items, because I am ready to share them. That one is in silver. This one is in gold with a different color, but so cute and so inexpensive. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.